Hey guys, welcome back to Crossroads. I'm back at the river, one of my favorite places to film. I got the Ghost Tool, I got a K2, I've got SB11. Let's see what we get, guys. Okay, like I said, back at the river. Pretty cold, it's in the 20s, but luckily the wind's not blowing, and that's good. But got geese all over the place. I keep hearing them. So a cold January morning. Spirits, if there's anyone here who'd like to speak with me, speaking this device that's in my right hand, I'll be able to read the words you're saying. So I'm using the Ghost Tool. And I thought maybe I might go over here to this, what looks like a little beach area that I've talked about before. Just don't want to get my shoes wet. That'd be bad. If it's like 80, 90 degrees, I wouldn't mind. Well, somebody's been burning something. A little campfire there. This is the area domain. This is your domain. Who are you? Tell me your name. Got track. Maybe they see this as a track. I don't know. So see, it kind of looks like a beach area type. You know, it kind of comes up. It's neat. I like it. This is the area where I found that tennis ball. Got lice. About 3-4 years ago, and I think it was like right over in here. I think it's been a long time, but and I don't know what happened to that tennis ball. I think it was right over here, and I don't know what happened to it. It's just gone missing all of a sudden. Over the last year, it's just gone. So we got sea. Well, I'm talking about like a beach. Oh, that's pretty wild, isn't it? This is a river, but it does, I mean, that one place kind of reminds me of like a beachside area. You'll hear trucks and stuff go back and forth. I've talked about that in the past. Well, let's just walk kind of down this path a little ways. Me and Marty's been to the very end of this thing before, as far as it can go, and it's been a while though. Another hole in the tree. What's in there? So now I got manufacturing, and there are meals. There's master, whatever that means. Somebody. Oh, good. Guys, check this out. A train's coming by. You always get trains. Check this out. Here we go. We zoom in. got the word manufacturing, then master, and I got occasion now. If this thing says train, blow my mind. It's a long train. I love trains, man, I'll tell you, I love them. So is my brother-in-law, he loves trains. So we're about, loud, isn't it? So this is at the end of it down here, as far as you can go on this path at least. Right through here. So it's been a while since I've been down here. I don't know how loud that's going to sound in this camera, but that is loud. Got building. So this is the end of this path. I mean, you could probably still try to, but I'm not. It's pretty rough through there, but I mean, you can see, but I'm not going to go over in that area, but don't feel safe just being by myself. Got the issue. There's the end of it right there. Coming through. Right there. That's the end. All right. So that's a pretty good lengthy train there. Spirits, I haven't got a name. Can you give me your name, please? So I'm headed back down the path. Still on the word issue. It's been a bit. We did actually, there's some burnt spot on the tree. This is an area too where me and Marnie tried a Charlie challenge one time. There's another little beach looking scene there. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Merge and reminder in December. We did this in January though. So I had to pause, had somebody come by me with their dog. There's a lot of words at one time. I'm trying to be careful. Let's get back around this direction, and that's it. That's the whole path. Maybe somebody died here in December, maybe. Did you die in December at this place? Reporting. You report on a death in December here, maybe? I don't understand this. Okay guys, I think I'm going to cut it here. It's starting to get busy at the park. There's people coming in, so I don't want to disturb them or they, get each other's way. So I want to hop out of here. I don't know what all these words mean exactly, but I definitely will come back again and check it out and see what we can come up with. But we did get a train, so that's pretty cool. And it did say sea after I said it kind of looks like a beach area, so that was really neat. But maybe somebody, December means something to somebody apparently, okay? So that's all we can know. So until next time, God bless. See you soon.